President Trump said today that he is taking the malaria drug hydroxychloroquine to ward off the coronavirus. And with the nationwide death toll now above 90,000, there is some encouraging news in the search for a vaccine. CBS 2's Dick Brennan has more.
President Trump says it was his idea to start taking the controversial drug hydroxychloroquine, and his doctor agreed to it.
I asked him, what do you think? He said, well, if you'd like it. I said, yeah, I'd like it. I'd like to take it. A lot of people are taking it. So I'm taking the two, the zinc and the hydroxy. And all I can tell you is, so far, I seem to be okay.
The FDA has warned not to take hydroxychloroquine outside of a hospital or to prevent disease, as it can cause heart rhythm problems.
There's no real indication, no evidence base for the use of hydroxychloroquine as a preventive of COVID-19.
The president says he got the idea from a New York doctor.
I got a letter from a doctor the other day. Sir, I have hundreds of patients, and I give them hydroxychloroquine. And out of the hundreds of patients, many hundreds, over 300 patients, I haven't lost one.
We exclusively first introduced you to the doctor last month. He's Vladimir Zelenko and swears by his cocktail of drugs.
There are people dying. If it works, that'd be great.
Zelenko's combination of meds given early on when people first get sick makes his protocol unique, but pharmacists can only dispense hydroxychloroquine for severe hospital-based cases. By then, Zelenko says it's ineffective.
There's a very narrow window of opportunity where you can hit this virus hard and early, where it makes all the difference.
The revelation comes on a day of encouraging news in the race to find a vaccine. The drug company Moderna says its vaccine shows promise in small early-stage testing. All 45 participants developed antibodies, and the first 8 developed neutralizing antibodies. That's the kind needed to fight off the virus and keep people from getting sick. Moderna's vaccine is different from traditional ones that use a weakened or inactive version of the virus. Instead, it uses a piece of genetic code called messenger RNA, which tells the body to produce a coronavirus protein that triggers an immune response.
What I've learned in this race, I only have 2 competitors, the virus and the clock. I wish all my competitors to succeed because we as a society need to have more than one vaccine available.
The company is expecting to begin the final phase of testing in July. They'll be giving the vaccine to larger groups of people in areas where the virus is actively circulating. Dick Brennan, CBS 2 News.